Welcome back to Home's Decor Designs, your go-to channel for creating spaces you absolutely love. Before we start, we want to ask your support to make this channel grow with subscribe to this channel. Leave comment, hit the like button or share this video to your friends and family. An outdoor fire pit seating area is more than just a spot to burn wood. It is a purposefully designed sanctuary that extends the comfort of your indoor living room into the open air. At its core, it is a designated social hub centered around a fire element. Whether that be a rustic wood-burning bowl, a sleek gas-powered linear burner, or a traditional stone hearth. This space represents a bridge between nature and architecture, creating a controlled, cozy environment where the primal draw of a flickering flame acts as a natural magnet for gathering. It's a place where the boundaries of your home expand, turning a simple patch of grass or a concrete patio into a destination for relaxation and storytelling. Investing in a fire pit seating area offers numerous lifestyle and functional benefits that last throughout the year. Most notably, it extends the usability of your outdoor space into the cooler months, providing essential warmth that makes autumn and winter evenings just as enjoyable as summer nights. Beyond the physical temperature, the presence of fire has a documented calming effect on the human mind, offering a meditative focal point that encourages people to put down their phones and engage in real conversation. From a property perspective, a well-executed fire pit design significantly boosts curb appeal and increases the perceived value of your home, as outdoor living rooms are among the most sought-after features for modern homebuyers looking for a staycation vibe. To make your fire pit area look professionally designed, you must focus on the balance of textures and lighting. Start by defining the ground space with a weather-resistant area rug or a change in flooring material, such as pea gravel, flagstone, or hardwood decking, to create a room feel. Use a mix of permanent and flexible seating. Built-in stone benches offer a clean, architectural look, while oversized outdoor armchairs with plush, UV-resistant cushions add a layer of soft luxury. Layering is key, so don't hesitate to add outdoor throw pillows in bold patterns and chunky knit blankets for those chilly nights. Finally, integrate secondary lighting like solar-powered path lights, string lights overhead, or subtle LED strips under bench lips to ensure the space remains inviting even when the fire is just a glow of embers. Choosing the right items can make or break the functionality of your fire pit area. First, select a fire pit that matches your lifestyle. Propane or natural gas is ideal for instant ambience without the smoke, while wood-burning pits are perfect for those who love the crackle and scent of a real campfire. High-quality, ergonomic seating is the next priority. Look for Adirondack chairs for a classic feel or modular sectional sofas for a modern look. Don't forget functional accessories like a sturdy side table for drinks, a decorative wood rack if you're using a timber-burning pit, and a protective cover to keep your investment clean. For safety and style, a spark screen and a set of long-handled roasting tools are great additions that ensure everyone stays safe while enjoying the flames. Now that we've covered the fundamentals, let's explore some inspiring ideas for incorporating ideas into your project. Here these the compilation of the top 10 best outdoor fire pit seating area ideas to inspire you for your next project. (1) Desert Oasis Sunken Fire Lounge. This stunning Southwest-inspired design features a circular fire pit accented with vibrant red tiles, perfectly complementing the warm terracotta brickwork of the patio. A massive saguaro cactus stands as a natural sculpture, while the built-in curved bench is softened with colorful eclectic pillows. The use of natural rock borders and subtle step lighting makes this the ultimate spot for watching a desert sunset. 2. Modern Geometric Sunken Hearth. For a clean and contemporary look, this sunken fire pit is built directly into a stone-paved terrace. The square layout features deep, integrated seating lined with minimalist brown cushions and pops of burnt orange pillows. Surrounded by lush greenery and a sleek black metal fence, This design creates an intimate conversation pit feeling that is both private and incredibly sophisticated. 3. Luxury architectural poolside fire pit. This high-end space blends a wooden deck with a smooth concrete sunken lounge area right next to a private pool. The long rectangular fire table provides a modern flame profile that mimics the clean lines of the adjacent glass-walled home. It's a perfect example of indoor-outdoor living, where the outdoor kitchen and plush seating create a seamless entertainment zone. 4. Industrial chic fire bowl retreat. Set against a backdrop of a corrugated metal structure with large glass folding doors, this area uses a massive deep-set iron fire bowl as its centerpiece. Surrounding it are oversized handcrafted wooden Adirondack chairs placed on a bed of fine gravel. This setup is perfect for those who want a blend of rustic charm and industrial modernism in a woodland setting. 5. Circular timber and stone zen pit. This perfectly symmetrical design features a beautiful circular wooden bench that wraps around a clean white stone fire bowl. The contrast between the warm wood slats and the cool gray flagstone floor creates a serene, spa-like atmosphere. Tucked behind a manicured hedge of evergreens, it offers a peaceful and private retreat for evening meditation or quiet conversation. 6. Minimalist stone wall fire feature. A dramatic stone masonry wall serves as both a windbreak and a backdrop for a long, floating concrete fire plinth. The seating area is defined by a crisp gravel rectangle and modern wooden armchairs with charcoal gray cushions. This design focuses on horizontal lines and natural textures, making it ideal for a large backyard with a forest view. 7. Contemporary rooftop terrace fire zone. This bright and airy setup is located on a modern white stucco rooftop terrace. A low-profile rusted steel fire ring sits on a bed of river rocks, surrounded by lightweight black wire chairs. The look is completed with industrial-style glass lanterns and potted cacti, proving that you don't need a huge yard to create a stylish and functional fire seating area. 8. Formal garden hearth and log store. This highly organized design features a central fire bowl set within a light-colored stone patio. Behind the seating, a unique feature wall doubles as a log storage unit, adding a beautiful orange wood texture to the space. Flanked by manicured hedges and purple floral borders, this area feels like a luxurious outdoor room in a grand estate. 9. Modern Zen gravel pit with palm accents. A sleek, L-shaped concrete bench with integrated wooden seating wraps around a small, square fire pedestal. The floor is a mix of dark gray pavers and black gravel, accented by vibrant green palm plants. This design is perfect for smaller suburban backyards that want a high-impact, low-maintenance tropical modern look. 10. Coastal View linear fire table. This luxury patio overlooks the ocean and features a long, stone-clad linear fire table that provides warmth without obstructing the view. Oversized dark wicker sofas with plush gray cushions offer a front-row seat to the horizon. The use of glass railings and minimalist planters ensures that the focus remains entirely on the breathtaking landscape and the dancing flames. Building the perfect fire pit seating area is about more than just aesthetics. It's about creating a space where memories are made. Whether you prefer the sleek lines of a modern sunken pit or the cozy charm of a desert-inspired terrace, the key is to choose a style that reflects your personality and fits your landscape. We hope these ideas have inspired you to start your own backyard transformation and create a warm, inviting hub for your friends and family to enjoy for years to come. If you enjoyed these design inspirations, make sure to hit that like button and subscribe to Home's Decor Designs for more weekly tips on elevating your living space. Which of these top 10 styles was your favorite? Let us know in the comments below, and don't forget to ring the bell so you never miss an update on the latest home and garden trends.